The bear market is in full run. Tesla is down, Apple is down, NFTs, Bitcoin is down, we see space is down, right? But what Hedonova is doing, I saw pretty much for the very first time. Welcome to a brand new video, and today we are talking about something totally different, okay? Today we are talking about Hedonova, okay? Hedonova is a fund for everybody out there that has $5,000 to invest and want to get hands on maybe on the most interesting assets out there. And not only the name is futuristic, but also what they are doing is futuristic, okay? So let's start by what is currently going on in the market. Today, as we have seen, the bear market is in full run, okay? Tesla is down, value stocks like Apple is down. NFTs, crypto is down, right? We see Bitcoin is down, we see space is down, right? So all of this risk assets, but even the more valuable assets are going down from this crazy bull run that we had over the last 10 years. But what is now important is diversification, okay? Some people are saying, like Warren Buffett, that diversification, if rightly put in place and you know what you're doing, is very, very important, right? So if you're looking into today's investment funds, they are usually saying, okay, we are a short fund. We, shorting a couple of things, okay? Then there is, people like Katie Woods who say, like, I have a fund that we go for growth stocks and, future companies that will modernize or innovate and, be the number one in their new field, like, Teladoc or, Tesla or other stocks like Zoom, right? And then you have funds that are saying, no, we are very, very, let's say, traditional. We're going for Apple, Microsoft, S&P 500, and so on and so forth. But what Hedonova is doing, I saw pretty much for the very first time. Not only it's accessible for everyone, for US investors, but the usual all worldwide investors, but it's also like, fusionating the new world with the old world. Like usually it's not so accessible for people to invest in a fund, okay? But they make it very, very easy. But in what they invest and what they are doing there at Hedonova, I will tell you in a second. Let's have a look in their website, okay? Because I feel like there's a couple of keywords that you should know. So first of all, they are saying they are a fund for all alternative investments, right? Starting for $5,000. So if you have $5,000 and want to put in something that will be split through different kind of asset classes, which is super interesting, we will get to this point. You can book a call here and speak with one of the specialists to how to get involved, all right? But not only that, they are trusted also by a lot of reviews here. For example, they have an excellent 4.7 out of 5-star Trustpilot review history with this platform. As you know, this is one of the biggest review platforms in the world. And what they are saying is get access to highly profitable market of alternative investments. Before Hedonova, investing in these alternate assets was only available for high net individuals and institutions. Now you can also reap the benefits with our platform and grow your wealth. So basically, you can contact them by WhatsApp as well, and so on and so forth. But let's have a look. I like this picture as well, the diamond hands, right? I want to dive with you into portfolio structure of Hedonova. So let's have a look where they are putting the money, okay, that they get from investors, where they put the money. And we go on the website and go to portfolio, you will see the whole structure of the portfolio, which, showing you in which kind of different assets they are investing. And when I saw it for the very first time, I was like, wow, this is futuristic, okay? Let's have a look. So usually they hold about 8% cash, okay? Very important for a fund to have like 10% cash in terms of new opportunities come up, or they want to increase or average down on some other opportunities or their current positions, right? Then the first thing just struck my mind was startups. So basically, they investing in startups that could be the next 1000x return companies like, early investment in Uber, early investment in Tesla, early investment in SpaceX, and so on and so forth. This is kind of investments they are looking for. So then they have like 17% of cryptocurrencies. Then they have listed equities. This could be stocks, growth stocks, value stocks, dividend stocks, and so on and so forth. 11% real estate, equipment, finance, litigation finance, agronomy, art even, I like this piece as well, 4% in art, collectibles, NFTs, and so on. So you can see even in the very high risk asset classes, they are quite slowly typing in, right? The NFTs, they have also that they invest in students or wine as well. So, cheers to that. Here you can see that they are having 12 alternative asset classes in one fund. So you have here the diversification. Here's, for example, an example what they did here. $1 million works of art, investment in artwork created by the top 100 artists who have been proved track record of selling at auctions, rising price trends, gallery presentation. When we invest in historic works of art by masters from Monet to Basquiat that has seen tremendous growth in interest and rise in value, averaging a 20.4% historical return. So really, really cool. Imagine you are part of this fund and then you say, $5,000 that you put in, and they will use 11% for property investment. What was it for art? For art, it's basically 4% of your money will be invested in art. So you are basically co-owning a historic piece of art. I mean, how cool is that? Okay. So in the next step, I would love to show you how the app looks like, because obviously a very, very futuristic fund company like that is having also a dashboard with the app and so on and so forth. So let's dive into that. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description below to see how you can move forward if you are interested already, and watch the video till the end to see how it looks backstage. So how to find your new favorite app on the App Store? It's super easy. You just put in Hedonova and you can download the app. Here's all information about the app that you need. Then you install it and open it, and this is how your dashboard looks like. All right, so here it's pretty easy to say. First of all, you see here how, for example, the Hedonova performed over the S&P 500, as you can see, outperformed here. You can see here your account balance, how much it raised. You see here that you have all your P&Ls, right? How much you have profit, how much losses, all the metrics that you need. Then you can go here to assets, and here you see all the structure of your investment, where it's put by the kind of percentage of the overall fund. As we saw in the main page, it was cash, it was 8%. Now it's here in the app by real data, it's 9%. So you can see here the team updates however your assets are invested. So I think this is super, super cool for once. Then obviously you have a super easy dashboard and user interface to put more into the account. For example, by Stripe, very easy for everyone. And you can also withdraw your money. You can withdraw to your bank account, very, very easy. So here you can see all the transactions and so on. So here you can add the funds. Here you have all the legal documents that you are needing for your account, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it's super easy. It's as easy as ordering food online. So I really like the platform, and if you're looking for something totally different, I think that Hedonova is super, super interesting. Let's summarize it in the end of this video. So let's summarize what you have with Hedonova. If you become a client, you can invest by only $5,000 in a real managed fund, which is absolutely insane, which is great. This is for everyone. This is for the people that are out there looking for investment vehicles where they have to do nothing. They have an app that is super easy, as you have seen. So you can basically just, put your money there like a bank account, just it grows over time, you know, then you are having a very diversified portfolio managed by people that knows it best. And finally, I think one of the best thing is that it's basically diversified. It's so diversified into this all new stuff from you know, crypto and NFTs, but also this old money stuff, right? Like similar to my polo today, like wine, like art, right? Real estate, and then you have stocks as well. So I feel like this is something that is very, very cool. I would love to see all of you there. So check out the links below. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this kind of investment, and I'm seeing you obviously in the next couple of days. I'm going back to Dubai, so there will be much more videos coming on all the topics that you are wishing for. I enjoyed the summer, but Hedonova was a highlight that I wanted to talk about, so check them out, and see you very, very soon.